Hi everybody. I'm recording a video of my guinea pig, like I promised. So here is Wiggles. And Wiggles does not like to be picked up. He hates being picked up, and he wiggles when I pick him up. That's why I call him Mr. Wiggles. But he does like to be petted once you are actually holding him and he's calm. He does like to be petted. But you gotta be holding him securely for him to be wanting to be petted. It's because he doesn't like to be picked up. Wiggles, Wiggles, Mr. Wiggles. I know it's a strange name, but he wiggles, so I call him Mr. Wiggles. Mr. Wiggles. Are you eating crumb off the floor? What are you doing? No. Aki. Well, that's my guinea pig. Alright. Talk to y'all later. Bye.